Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best places to visit in Brazil, a country known for its vibrant culture, beautiful beaches, and incredible natural wonders. Whether you're looking for an adventure or a relaxing getaway, there's something for everyone in Brazil. So, grab your camera and let's start exploring. Number 1. Rio de Janeiro. Our first stop takes us to the stunning city of Rio de Janeiro, famously known for its iconic Christ the Redeemer statue that towers over the city. But Rio has so much more to offer beyond its famous landmarks. Take a stroll through the colorful streets of Santa Teresa, relax on the beautiful beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema, and enjoy the delicious cuisine at one of the city's many seafood restaurants. Number 2. Iguazu Falls. Next, we head to the northeastern region of Brazil to witness the breathtaking beauty of Iguazu Falls. These stunning waterfalls are located on the border of Argentina and Brazil and are considered one of the greatest natural wonders of the world. Take a boat tour to get up close and personal with the falls or hike the trails to get a panoramic view. Number 3. Salvador. Located in the state of Bahia, Salvador is a city rich in history and culture. It is considered one of the oldest cities in Brazil and is famous for its Afro-Brazilian heritage, stunning colonial architecture, and lively street festivals. Take a stroll through the historic Pelourinho district, dance to the beats of samba and reggae, and enjoy the delicious Bahian cuisine. Number 4. Amazon Rainforest. Our next destination takes us deep into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. This breathtaking region is home to a vast array of plant and animal species and is a must-visit for anyone interested in ecology and nature. Take a guided tour to explore the rainforest, spot exotic wildlife, and learn about the indigenous cultures that call this region home. Number 5. Florianopolis. Located on the island of Santa Catarina, Florianopolis is a popular beach destination known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and laid-back atmosphere. Take a surf lesson, relax on the sand, and enjoy the delicious seafood that the island is famous for. Number 6. Brasilia. Finally, we head to the heart of Brazil to visit its capital city, Brasilia. This modern city was built from scratch in the 1950s and is famous for its unique architecture, including the iconic National Cathedral and the Palácio da Alvorada, the official residence of the Brazilian president. Outro. And there you have it, some of the best places to visit in Brazil. From the vibrant streets of Rio de Janeiro to the breathtaking beauty of Iguazu Falls, there's something for everyone in this incredible country. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready to experience the best that Brazil has to offer. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to my channel for more exciting content.